Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you can see, we have got something completely brand new for my channel. We've got some dip powder. I have never ever done dip powder. In all honesty, I'm not too sure what I'm doing. I'm hoping this kit will sort of guide me through. This kit is a KADS dip powder kit. I purchased this on AliExpress because it was like just over £20. It was literally like £20.90 or something for a 20-piece dip powder kit. And I've never used any of KADS products before, but I have heard really good things about them. I know they specialise a lot in stamping. When I saw the price, I was like, you know what, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get it because I want to learn to dip. I have got a couple of dip powders, I have got a couple of dip liquids, but I've never actually done it. I've never touched the stuff. So yeah, this is going to be completely new for me today. And I thought, you know, it looks really easy, it looks really fun, and I wanted a new range of colours to do it with. So we're going to have a look at this little kit today. So thankfully, they have provided a little how-to guide, which I will be definitely referring to today. And then this is the range of dip powders. I haven't got all of these because I have only got 20, and I'm not too sure what colours I have got, but I'm guessing this is the full range of dip powders that they do. As you can see, there's quite a few glittery ones, and you've just got standard colours. You've got a thermal one there. They're a cute little selection of colours. So provided in this kit, we have got 5 orange wooden sticks here. We have got one of these brushes. I've been using these brushes since day one of my nail career. I really like them. I've never actually seen one in pink, and I really like it. But yeah, always good to have a new brush, and especially with dip powder, I think it's going to be a well-needed thing. They have provided a nail file. It doesn't look like it's going to be a very good one, but they provided it, so that's good. We have then got 4 little pots of glitter. These ones are matte glitters, so really nice. So we've got a gold matte, we've got a very light pink matte. They are tiny little pots, but it's a cute little thing to have extra. And look at these two. Let's take the lids off them. Oh wow, okay. But look at that. It's so nice, kind of opaly. I don't personally think there's no more than a gram of glitter in here, but even so, I didn't actually realise they were coming with any glitter. And they are really nice glitters. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. And then these are the dip powders themselves. So they are 10-gram pots, and there's 20 different colours. So I've got over 200 grams of dip powder here. I really like the little pots. I really like the holographic font on there. You've got all your ingredients on the back there. You've got a product number, and they are pretty good sized pots really. The only thing with this kit that I'm a little bit disappointed about is the fact it didn't come with any liquid. I would have thought it would have come with liquid, like they put in the effort to put in glitter, brush, orange sticks and a file, but no dip in liquid. So what I'm going to have to do is use my Rossi one, because that's all I've got unfortunately. Hopefully it'll work okay. I'm not familiar as to whether like certain brands dip powder has to go with that same brand liquid, or whether it's fine to use other liquids. I'm hoping so, because I haven't got no KADS liquid. But like I said, it's all brand new to me. I haven't really got a clue what I'm doing. One channel I will recommend for dip powder is Omnia's Wish. I will link her channel down in the description box, because she is like the queen of dip powders. She is forever getting new dip powders. They all look so pretty, and yeah, she does quite a lot of videos where she does her own nails with dip powders, and she does a fantastic job. She has done some absolutely beautiful sets lately. Like, I've got her on Facebook, and like as soon as I see her put up a new picture on Facebook of her new set of nails, I have to go watch the video because it's so good. And like, yeah, she's quite good with her dip powder and whatnot. She's literally the queen of dip powder, so I definitely would recommend her channel if you're into your dip powder too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at swatching these. I'm just going to do a couple of them, and then I'll do the rest off camera, because otherwise we're going to be here forever. This one looks like it's going to be glittery. I'm already making a mess. I've only been here for 2 minutes, but yeah, it looks like it's got glitter particles inside of it. So according to the instructions, you apply your base coat. Is this normal base coat though? Do you cure it underneath the lamp? Or does it just work on its own? It kind of smells like super glue actually. And then it says to dip in the powder at a 45-degree angle. Have I done that right? Tap off excess, and then you're meant to brush off. Oh, that looks pretty. But meant to brush off more excess, and then you're meant to go in with your activator, to which it says to apply a generous coat and then wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to become hard. It smells really strong. like alcohol. Okay, and then I go in with another layer of my base coat. I really hope I'm doing this right. I'm sure Omnia will tell me if I'm not doing it correctly. Okay, so I've done that. And then brush it off again. And then I think we're meant to go back in with more activator. And then you go in with your top coat. I think this might be a gel top coat. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to put it on Team Lamb anyway and just see. Like I said, I'm really not familiar at all. But yeah, I think that went okay. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this one next, which looks really nice again. So I go with a layer of base coat. Oh, it's like hard. I think I need to screw the lids back on the bottles when I'm not using them, because I felt like getting hard then. It's like bloody super glue. Okay, that was a really bad 45-degree angle. Tap, tap, tap. Screw that on. Brush that off. Activate it. Wait a little while. Okay, and then I'm going in with another bit of the base coat. We're trying to dip at a 45-degree angle. We're tapping off the excess. And then also brushing off the excess. We are using the activator. Okay, and then we use top coat, which is also going hard. Shows how unfamiliar I am with these products. I think they're air drying. I don't think you need a lamp at all for this. Yeah, that's that one. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you guys on camera, and then I'm going to quickly swatch them all off camera. So we go in with our base coat. We dip at a 45-degree angle. We tap, 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 tap. Brush, 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 brush. I should have probably left that a few more seconds. I'm spilling activator everywhere. Okay. We activate. We base coat. We dip. We brush. We activate. And we top coat. The one tip I do remember watching from one of Omnia's videos is with your first coat to not go as far up towards the cuticle as you do with the other coats. That's one thing I do know. I've watched quite a few of her haul videos where she's sort of gone bought loads of different dip powders, and she really has got some of the most beautiful dip powders ever. They look so nice, and I'm very, very, very excited to try and do my own nails with them at some point. It's definitely going to be a must do. But yeah, I'm going to swatch the rest of them off camera and I'll be back at the end to show you. But yeah, wish me luck. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to lie. I have done the worst ever job at swatching these. Like, look at that white. It's awful, but I can still show you the colours at least. We all start off somewhere. We're not perfect. And yeah, it's going to take me a little while to get used to that. But here we have the white. We have the gold sparkly holographic. We have a chunky silver holographic. We have kind of like an army green. We got this kind of like grey colour. We got a baby pink. We got this sort of more sort of cherry pink. We've got a silver metallic. This one's kind of like a deep purple with a little bit of sparkle to it. I really like that one. This one's quite sort of sheer, but it's kind of similar to that one, just with less pigment, but it's really, really nice still. Sort of like a dusky sort of pink. A deep sort of pinky red with a holographic shimmer. This one here, which has got a really subtle shimmer again, really like that. Sort of deep sort of violet-y, browny, purpley colour. I'm not very good at this, am I? We've got a lilac, we've got a very muted pink, we've got a black, we've got a nice purple, we've got a very sheer sort of jelly-like pink holographic, and then we've got a purple holographic. All these I've done with 2 dips. Like I said, I have also done a terrible job. Also, are the liquids meant to smell like super glue? Because at one point I sort of bent a bit too close and it burnt my nostrils and just gave me the same reaction as super glue does when you get a bit too close to super glue too. and it just smells exactly the same, and I accidentally got a bit on my fingers. My fingers stuck together, so it's literally like super glue. Is that normal, or have I just got a bad liquid for dips? I don't really know. It's all like a little bit sort of weird for me. I'm sort of trying to get my head around it all, but it's something I definitely want to learn, and I'm hoping to show you guys more of on my channel once I sort of got my head around it a bit more. But overall, I really do like this kit. I really like the selection of colours. They're very me colours, quite a few nudes, reds, purples. I love army green. Like, this is like basically the perfect collection for me, to be honest. I would like a bright red. That's the only colour that's sort of missing for me, but otherwise I really like them all. And for £20 that I paid, I'm very happy. The little glitters and everything that come with the package are really nice. I just would have liked to have seen some liquids to go with the dip powders, but otherwise it's a massive thumbs up from me. I'll leave this kit in the description box if you'd like to check it out for yourselves. But I hope you've enjoyed the video anyway. Sorry it's been a mess. I'm really not very good at this, but it was my first time, so I think they've come out relatively okay for my first time. But yeah, anyways, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get post notifications every time I upload. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.